Walking is one of the simplest things we can do, yet it is also one of the most powerful ways to improve our health, especially as we age. Research from Harvard, including the Lifestyle Interventions and Independence for Elders, or LIFE study, has shown that regular walking can have profound effects on older adults, not just physically, but mentally, emotionally, and socially. Today, we're going to explore why walking is called the best medicine, what it does for your body and brain, and how you can make it a sustainable, enjoyable habit that transforms your life. By the end, you'll know exactly how to walk smarter, not just longer, and you'll have concrete steps to start immediately. Plus, check the description for a PDF guide with walking routines and tips, and a link to join the Shrewd Senior Health Community for extra support. Let's start with the physical benefits. Walking strengthens the heart, improves circulation, and can even help regulate blood pressure and cholesterol levels. The LIFE study found that seniors who engaged in regular physical activity, including walking, experienced better mobility and were less likely to develop serious chronic conditions. Each step you take activates muscles, joints, and bones, helping to maintain strength and stability. Unlike high-impact exercises, which can strain the joints, walking is gentle yet effective, making it accessible for almost everyone. Even short, consistent walks can reduce stiffness, improve flexibility, and strengthen areas like the hips, knees, and lower back, which tend to weaken with age. But walking isn't just about muscles or bones, it's about keeping your whole body functioning optimally. Think about it. Walking increases blood flow, which nourishes every cell in your body. This helps your organs work more efficiently, boosts metabolism, and even improves digestion. When done consistently, walking can help seniors maintain a healthy weight, manage diabetes, and reduce the risk of heart disease. Walking also supports bone density, which is crucial as we age. The gentle impact of each step signals your bones to stay strong and maintain their density, helping prevent osteoporosis and reducing fracture risk. And these benefits are cumulative. The more consistent you are, the bigger the payoff. Research shows that even 30 minutes of moderate walking most days of the week provide substantial health benefits. Then there's the cognitive impact. Walking isn't just good for your heart and muscles, it's excellent for your brain. In the LIFE study, older adults who were physically active experienced better memory, sharper attention, and slower cognitive decline compared to those who were sedentary. Walking increases blood flow to the brain, promoting the growth of new neural connections and supporting overall brain health. It also triggers the release of endorphins, which naturally elevate mood and reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. Many seniors report that even a short daily walk helps them feel calmer, more focused, and mentally refreshed. Research has also shown that regular walking can reduce the risk of dementia and Alzheimer's disease. The combination of increased blood flow, reduced inflammation, better sleep quality, and stress reduction all contribute to protecting brain health as we age. Combine this with the sensory experience of being outside, the sound of birds, the feel of a breeze, the sunlight on your skin, and walking becomes not just exercise, but a mental reset. Many people find that their best thinking happens during walks, and problems that seemed overwhelming become more manageable. Walking also supports emotional and social well-being. While it can be done alone, walking with friends, family, or a community group adds another layer of benefit. Social connection is critical for mental health, and when paired with movement, it becomes a powerful combination. Harvard researchers observed that seniors who walked in groups not only improved their physical health, but also experienced greater feelings of belonging and reduced loneliness. For many, a daily walk becomes a ritual, a time to connect, chat, laugh, or simply enjoy the presence of another person. These walking partnerships create accountability too. When someone is expecting you for a morning walk, you're far more likely to show up. Over time, these small social interactions contribute to long-term happiness and emotional resilience. Starting a walking routine doesn't need to be intimidating. If you haven't exercised in years, you can begin with just 5 to 10 minutes a day and gradually build up. The key is consistency, not intensity. Even a few short walks spread throughout the day add up. Some seniors find it helpful to incorporate walking into daily tasks. Take the stairs instead of the elevator, park farther away from store entrances, or walk around the block after lunch. Small steps, taken consistently, accumulate into significant long-term benefits. Wearing supportive shoes, staying hydrated, and listening to your body are all crucial. If a day feels challenging, even a slow, short walk is better than none. It's the habit and consistency that matter most. There are ways to make walking even more effective. Practicing mindful walking, where you focus on your posture, breathing, and surroundings, can help reduce stress and improve balance. Walking on different surfaces or slightly inclining routes can strengthen different muscle groups and keep your routine interesting. Tracking your steps or distance, even with a simple journal, provides motivation and shows tangible progress. Over weeks and months, you'll notice improvements in endurance, energy, and mobility that will spill over into every part of your life, making everyday activities easier and more enjoyable. Of course, challenges come up. Joint pain, weather, or mobility issues can make walking difficult at times. That's where adaptation comes in. Using walking poles, supportive shoes, or indoor walking spaces like shopping malls can help maintain a routine safely. Consulting with your healthcare provider before starting a new regimen is always smart, especially if you have chronic conditions. The beauty of walking is that it's flexible. You can tailor it to your abilities and adjust as needed while still reaping incredible benefits. Consistency is key. The Life study demonstrated that seniors who walked regularly were less likely to experience major physical decline and retained higher levels of independence. Setting achievable goals, celebrating small milestones, and gradually increasing walking duration or intensity keeps motivation high and shows tangible results. Over time, these steps accumulate into a lifestyle that enhances not just longevity, but the quality of every day. Walking is more than exercise. It's a lifestyle habit that supports your mind, body, and social connections. It's free, accessible, and effective, and it can be done almost anywhere. Whether it's a stroll around the neighborhood, a peaceful walk in a park, or a leisurely loop with friends, every step counts. And the beauty is, it doesn't have to be perfect. What matters is movement, enjoyment, and consistency. To help you make walking a part of your life, we've created a PDF guide with step-by-step walking routines, tips to maximize your health benefits, and strategies for building a sustainable habit. We also offer access to our senior health community where you can connect with other seniors, join live sessions, ask questions, and get ongoing support. Combining walking with guidance and community makes it far more effective than walking alone. So, lace up your shoes and take that first step. Start small, stay consistent, and enjoy the journey. Each step you take is an investment in your independence, strength, mental clarity, and overall well-being. Walking truly is the best medicine, and it's never too late to start. Your body, mind, and social life will thank you, and over time, you'll experience the transformative power of this simple yet profound habit. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the walking path.